Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Numpy arrays. And to do the coding, we are using Jupyter. First, we need to import the Numpy package. So let us write down import Numpy np. Let us create one list. So we will be writing list equal to, then we need to give the square brackets. Within square brackets we will be writing few numbers. So let us create a list having numbers, say 2 4 2 4 5. So in our list we have 3 elements. So if we write type of list, we can see that it is showing list. So the data type is list. Now we will convert the list into array. So we need to write np.arraylist. So now you can see it is showing that these are the arrays. Now if we write type list, this time it is showing list only because we have not stored the array anywhere. So we will write it AA. You can give any variable name equal to np.array within bracket list. So this time if you check the type of AA, you will see that it will be displaying array, numpy.array. Now let us create one list, my list, which consists of 3 lists inside. So the first list is 1 3 4, then comma, then again give square brackets, then we will include 3 more elements, 6 7 8, and one more list 9 2 4 and 5. So there are 3 lists inside the same list. So now what we will do is that we will convert it to array. So we can write mat equal to, so mat is a variable name, you can give any variable name, np.array, then inside it my list. Now if I write mat, you can see that it is an array. So now if we see the shape, now let's check the shape of this array. So we will write mat.shape as HAPE, and you can see it is showing 3 by 3. Okay, now we can reshape the. Now we are going to check out different ways in which we can create arrays using NumPy. So the first way is we can write np.arange. So we will be using range. So if we write 0, 10, you see 10 numbers, that is 0 to 9 numbers has been generated. So 10 won't be included. If you want to generate from 0 to 10, you will have to write 0, 11. That is, it doesn't consider the last number. Okay, so this is one way of creating an array. Then if we give 0, 11, 2, so it will give an interval of 2 between the elements from 0 to 10. That is, it is excluding 11. Now if we want to create arrays containing zeros only, suppose 4 zeros we want to create, you see we have created 4 zeros. Now if we will check the type of this 0, so we can write type 0 point dot what I am writing 0 dot. So you see the data type is float, it is showing float. Now we can do some operations with this np.zeros also. So we can write np.zeros, then suppose 3, 4. What's wrong? Why it is not coming? Let me check. np.zeros. Something is wrong. Let me check. Now it's the spelling, zero spelling. Okay, so we need to write np.zeros. I'm writing something else. So if you write np.zeros 2, 3, so it will create a array that is 2 by 3. The dimension is 2 by 3, 2 rows, 3 columns consisting of zeros. Now we can do some operations here also, like we can write plus let it be 3. So when we run it, you will see we see 3, right? So 0 plus 3. Then we can perform like multiplication, division also. So let's see division. So it will be again 0, obviously. So like that you can perform some arithmetic operations with np dot zeros also. Okay. So next we can create ones also. So we can write np dot ones. So it will consist of ones. 4 ones will be created. So we can create 2-dimensional arrays consisting of ones also. So let us give the dimension 4 by 5. So same way we can perform the arithmetic operations with it. So let us multiply by 2. So we can see a 4 by 5 matrix, that is an array, 2-dimensional array. Or let us see another way of creating array. We can use np dot linspace. Let us write 0, 10, let us give 3. So it is going to create 3 elements equally spaced between 0 to 10. You see 0, 5 and 10. So you can change the number if you want, like say let us take 8 elements. So it will display 8 elements equally distributed between 0 to 10. So you can give 100 also. Let us give 100. So it is showing 100 elements equally divided between 0 to 10. So like that you can create equally spaced arrays. Okay, so this is another way of creating arrays. Then we can create identity matrix also. We can write np dot I. Here we need to give the dimension 4. So it is creating a 4 by 4 identity matrix. Now we will see how to create some random numbers. So we can write np dot random dot rand, and here we can give the dimension. Suppose we want to create some 2-dimensional random numbers 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 random numbers has been created. If you want to suppose create only one random number, then you can write np dot random dot rand. Within bracket you just give if you want one number, just write down 1. So it will display one random number. So like that, if you want say 10 numbers, just write down 10. So 10 numbers, random numbers are created. So this way you can create random numbers. Now we will see how to create some random integers. Suppose, so we will write np.random.rand int. Suppose we want it between 1 to 100. So we will write like that. So 32 has been generated. So each time you display, you see different random numbers are being generated between 1 to 100. So if you want 10 numbers between 1 to 100, then just give 10. So each time you execute it, it is displaying different types of 10 random numbers between 1 to 100. You will often see that people use seed. So what is seed? You need to write, suppose np.random.seed 42. Then within the same cell, if you write np.random. Suppose random, there's 4 numbers we want to generate. If you execute it, so whatever numbers is being generated in my PC will be generated in your system also. So these will be same. So that is the use of seed. Now let us see some operations that we can perform on array. So let us create one array first. ARR equal to np.arange. Let us give the range 25. So 25 numbers will be generated. So you see 25 numbers from 0 to 24. Now suppose if we see the shape AR.shape, so it is showing to 25. It is a one-dimensional array. So we can convert it to two-dimensional by using the reshape. So we will write ARR.reshape. So we can give the size. Let us give 5 by 5. So you see it has been rearranged into 5 by 5 matrix. But if we give 5 3, it is showing error because the total number of elements should be 25. Let's see the next operation. So we will create one more array, arr1 equal to np dot random rand int. Let us give the range 0 to 100, and suppose we want 10 elements. Okay, 10 random numbers between 0 to 100. So if we see R1, so these are the numbers generated. Now let us try to find out the maximum element among this. So we will write arr.max. So it is 99. Let us try to see the index. Okay, so we will write down arr1.argmax. argmax. So it will show that the index is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, we can find out the minimum number also. So we will write arr1.min. So it will show the minimum number in the array, which is 2. Let us find out the index, arr1.argmin. So it is showing the index as 7. Let us see the data type of this array. So if we write arr1.dtype, so it is showing integer. So these are the integer arrays. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.